Hello students, welcome in chapter 10 straight lines. Students, today I continue going ahead our exercise 10.3 13 questions, which is most IMP numerical. Find the equation of right bisector of the line segment joining the 2 points 3 4 and minus 1 2. What the meaning that right bisector? Definitely it is that right angle and midpoint. Students, here consider that's your segment, one of the A, one of the B. A I have 3 4, B minus 1 2, and exactly middle we going that is a midpoint M, and this line is called right bisector, either perpendicular bisector, right bisector. Either you can say perpendicular bisector. So line L I derive, first I derive midpoint. Yes, M is midpoint of AB segment. So what is the M coordinate? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, and apply the value for M. So 3 minus 1 by 2 and 4 plus 2 by 2, they get 2 by 2 1, and 6 by 2 3, that is 1 comma 3. Again repeat, here 3 minus 1 2 by 2 1 and 6 by 2 it is 3. Now I want to AB slope and derive L slopes. Continue. Slope of line AB is M1, but I know that point wise y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Apply the value 2 minus 4 and minus 1 minus 3, minus 2 by minus 4, it get half. Again 2 minus 4 by minus 1 minus 3, it is minus 2 by minus 4, it is half, and that slope here I can derive slope of the line is half passing through M. And easily I complete this solution, students, till up to in the way of calculations. Now students, I going ahead to slope points, simple, passing through M13, and slope is a 1 by 2. So students, after derive slope of line AB, we going ahead slope of line L. So here mention that but AB is perpendicular to L. Now I going to right side, right angle, perpendicular to L. So M1 into M2 become minus 1. M1 is a slope of line AB, half, and M2 slope of line L. So what is the M2? Minus 2. That's I create, and here mention slope of that AB is half. That my mistake written here minus 2. Students, slope of AB conformly half and the perpendicular is minus 2. Now passing through M and slope is minus 2. So required what? Right bisector line L, y minus y1, M x minus x1. Again repeat, passing through M13 and slope is a minus 2. So here y1 is the students 3, slope minus 2, and x1 is what? 1. In short, y minus 3 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. So your answer is 2x plus y, 2 plus 3. So 2x plus y is equal to 5. And that's the line L. Students, you easily derive that answer. Now continue. Question number 14. Find the coordinate of foot of the perpendicular. Same questions and same going ahead. Find the coordinate of you are asking coordinates of the foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular, it means 90 degree taking exactly foot that, and perpendicular that from the point, and point is Simple asking, minus 1 comma 3 to the line. Line also given that, students, 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. One more time repeat. Find the coordinates of foot of the perpendicular from the minus 1 comma 3 points to the lines. Means I want to exactly, students, 90-degree points on the regarding given line. So we going slowly, very easy. So here your points, consider A from minus 1 comma 3, and that's the 90-degree line. That is my foot point. And line L I consider 3x minus 4y minus 16. Students, I want to foot of perpendicular from A to given line. It means my target is M. So I declare here M is foot of perpendicular point on the, yes, to the line, that one, yes, on the 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0 from A minus 1 comma 3. So we just think about how can we derive that foot. Very easy. Read that. Find the coordinates of the foot. I want to coordinate, means this M coordinate I derive. First derive L slopes and then derive AM slopes and derive AM equation also. Yes, students. So I going that L line 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. What is that slope? M1 minus A by B. So minus 3 by minus 4. It get 3 by 4. And that perpendicular to that AM. But AM perpendicular to L. That's why M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. What is the M1? 3 by 4. M2 unknown. So my M2 become minus 4 by 3. That's the slope of our AM. And my target achieve coordinates of foot of perpendicular from the point is. It means I want to M anyhow, but this slope I apply on passing through A. Therefore, equation of AM line, y minus y1 M x minus x1. Students, I passes through that A, that x1, this y1. Y1 is 3, slope minus 4 by 3. And what is the x1? Minus 1. And here you derive one of the equation of AM. Very easily and simple way we can derive that. So easily you can operate by the simple LCM. So 3y minus 3 3 is a 9 minus 4x minus minus plus minus 4 1 again repeat minus minus plus but minus 4 that. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 9 minus 4. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Yes, minus 4 plus 9, it is 5. That's the create equation number 2, because that is line is what? AM line. And students, this L line I take one equations. Line L given 3x minus 4y is equal to 16, statement number 1. Now you can calculate both by elimination. Definitely they will derive 2 foot of perpendicular points from A. So I calculate. Yes, now AM intersect L is equal to M, which is what? Foot point. Exactly 90 degree, because I already utilization here 90 degree conditions. So solve 2 and 3 1. So can I multiply here 4 and here 3? Yes, 4 multiply then 16, 4 3 is a 12 and 4 5 is a 20. 4 4 is 16, 4 is a 12 and 4 5 is a 20. Now 3 multiply 9x, 12y and 16 3 is a 48. So that cancel. And here students 25x is equal to 68. X become 68 by 25. X coordinate done. Now that X apply in anyone. Why derive? I go to in first, either second. What were easy? Second easy, I think. From 2, 4x plus 3y is equal to 68 by 25. 3y is equal to 5. And derive value for y. So students, you have to 3y, 5 minus 4 times 68 by 25. So how much is this? 3y. 5 5s are 125 minus 68 4s are 68 4s are simple multiply. 8 4s are 32. 3 carry. 6 4s are 24. 25, 26, 27. 272. And 272 minus 125. Just subtract it. Here 6, here 12, 7, 4, 147. So 3y become minus 147 by 25. That also divided by 3. So students, if you divide by 3 here, so 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27. It means only 49 minus. Again repeat. 3 4s are 12. And 12 then 2 carry 27, 3 9s are 27. Yes, minus 49 by 25. Therefore, last required foot of perpendicular point M. Students, that's your M derive. What is the X? 68 by 25 and Y 49 by 25. That's the point. It is indicated here, M point. And easily students, this question is also done. Now I going ahead, same parallel questions. One more. Question 15. The perpendicular from origin. Same question students. Just only one word change. The perpendicular from the origin to the line y is equal to mx plus c meets it at the point minus 1 comma 2. Find the value of M and C. Very easy. First of all, read again question, students. Our question is a perpendicular from origin. Means here your origin. Consider O 0 0, and that's the perpendicular here. From origin to the line y is equal to mx plus c. This is the line L. Y is equal to mx plus c. Is at the point. This point now given. In previous sum I derive point. Here point given and asking M and C. So I first anyhow derive slope of OM line from slope of line L, and that easily I calculate M points and line L. First I derive slope of OM. Continue. Slope of OM is M1 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Students, O and M. Here x1 y1, that is x2 y2. So 2 minus 0, minus 1 minus 0. Students, minus 2 by 1. 2 minus 0, minus 1 minus 0, minus 2. That's the M1 slope. But L is perpendicular to OM. So M1 into M2 minus 1. This slope is M1 consider. And that is your M2. So students, want M1 known? Minus 2. M2 my target for slope of line L. So what is M2? 2. Sorry, half. That is minus 2. That is half. Here I can derive slope is half. Now wait, slope ready. Passing through M known, apply slope point and derive equation of line, students, easily L. and then after we convert our given line in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, and that's my answer. So I continue. Simple way. Now equation of line L passing through m minus 1 comma 2 and slope is derived at half. So y minus y1 and x minus x1. What is the y1, students? x1, y1. y1 is 2, half slope x plus 1. So 2y minus 4 is equal to x plus 1. So x minus, either you can write down your equation of L in the y forming, students. 2y is equal to x plus 1 minus 4, 2 plus 4. So how can y? 2y is equal to x plus 5. But I want to, in the y is equal to mx plus c, you divide by 2. So students, your y value is a 1 by 2x, 5 by 2. And here students, you can compare that with y is equal to mx plus c. So L line y is equal to mx plus c, and we derive y is equal to half x plus 5 by 2. And what is the target? M and c. Students, I can write down m is half and c is 5 by 2. That's your simple and easy answer. Students, here m indicate slope of the line and c indicate what? 5 by 2? Yes, it is y-intercept. Now students, continue. Question number 16. 16 also same, but IMP, exam oriented, most IMP numerical. Question is, if P and Q are the length of P and Q are the length of perpendicular from origin 0 0 to the line. Two lines are there, L1 and L2. First line, x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta, and second, x sec theta y cosec theta is equal to k respectively. And prove that, yes, that's the main point. Prove that. Question is p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. Students, first I derive formula to simple utilizations. Perpendicular distance from origin. Consider here first of all origin here O, and the line L1 is this x cos theta minus y sin theta minus k cos 2 theta is equal to 0. Students, here you check, that is A, B, and that the C, and you know that perpendicular distance from origin, first distance is given, that check, it is P modulus C by under root A square plus B square, and modulus C is here students minus K cos 2 theta, and A and B cos square plus sin square. Minus already I conduct in the minus, I mean whole square here. In this it is positive. So your data is a k cos 2 theta by cos square sin square, and it is 1. So k cos 2 theta by 1. Statement number 1. Now I derive for second line. Yes, L2 line. Similarly, going ahead. So simple we apply. Again draw your origin O 0, 0, and that the perpendicular to line L2. That distance is Q given according to questions. Q is x sec theta, y cosec theta minus k, I just take right side k to inside, is equal to 0. So students, our perpendicular distance from origin is q modulus c by under root a square plus b square, and what is your c? Minus k, and a square b square is a sec square theta plus students cosec square theta. I just simple convert into sine cos. So here sec square is a 1 upon cos square, that 1 upon sine square. LCM take upper side going cos theta into sine theta, and by downwards sine square plus cos square. Students, here take simple LCM and take the part is upside. So my value is a k sine cos by 1, and that is the statement number 2, and that's your q. Now what a target? P square plus 4q square is equal to k square. And now I go to target achievement. Prove that parts. So now LHS. Our LHS is a p square plus 4q square. Students, you apply both value 1 by 1, p square plus 4q square value. So it get p, already you know in the previous part, already we derived, and q is also I can mention here 4. What is the q square? K sin theta and cos theta the whole square. And students, p already we derived that, our value is a k cos 2 theta, here k cos 2 theta, and value attach k square cos square 2 theta, and that is your, can I write down k square 4 sine square with the cos square. And now I simple taking students value that common taking k square, remaining are cos square 2 theta, and here can we write down 2 sine cos whole square? Yes, it get formula of cos square 2 theta plus sine 2 theta, this one, but that square, it means it is 1. So k square into 1, k square, and that's the RHS. So students, we can say our proofing p square plus 4q square is equal to k square, and here students, easily our proofing done. Now students, continue, we going ahead. 17th sum. Also very most IMP. In a given triangle, there are 3 vertices available. Most IMP. Question number 17. In a triangle ABC, A vertex is 2, 3, B 4, -1, and C 1, 2. And asking that find the equation and also asking length, equation and length of altitude from the vertex A. Yes, from vertex A. Students, vertex A regarding, I will draw first our triangle ABC, that one, and here your altitude 90 degree. You can show here altitude. Altitude is always 90 degree made, not a midpoint. A I have 2, 3, B 4, -1, C 1, 2, and I want to equation and also want to altitude. First I derive equations. So the simple way, BC slope perpendicular to AD and passing through A. So first I going slope of BC line, y minus y1, I mean y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that I take m1, b x1 y1, c x2 y2. So 2 minus minus 1 by 1 minus 4, 3 by minus 3, which is minus 1. Now, but AD is perpendicular to BC. That's why m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. And students, simple you apply m1 value and m2 value. What is your m1? Minus 1. What is your m2? Your derivations. So students, m2 slope you easily derive, which is 1. That is slope of altitude that. Because BC is minus 1, that is 1. Passing through on it, A. So I derive easily by slope point formula and get to answers. So altitude, our AD. So students, I continue. Now equation of altitude AD having slope what? 1 according to that, and passing through A 2, 3. So y minus y1 m x minus x1, slope is 1, x1 is 2, it is x minus 2. Now rearrange. X minus y minus 2 plus 3, x minus y plus 1. That's the equation of altitude AD. That is your statement number 1. One step is done, equation. Now I want to altitude length. This length I derive, first I derive D, BC and AD intersections. BC equation known easily, B and C. So now B I take x1 y1, C I take 1 2, x2 y2, and derive equation of BC. So equation of students BC formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 related, sorry I have equation wrong written, y minus y1 by x minus x1, now y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here consider B is 4 minus 1 x1 y1 and C 1 2 is x2 y2, and derive equation of BC. And students, BC and AD both are intersect and get the answer. So BC formula y minus, what is the y1? Y1 is minus 1. Now x minus x1, x1 is 4, same as. Now y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, so 2 minus minus 1, x2 minus x1 means this minus this, 1 minus 3. So you get y plus 1 by x minus 4, 3 by minus 2. I again check my data, y minus y1, y plus 1, x minus x1, x minus 4, correct. Now y2 minus y1, 2 minus 1 means 2 plus 1, 3, x2 minus x1, 1 minus 4. Students, here x2 minus x1, 1 minus 4, yes, my mistakes here. It is minus 3. Now it get minus 1, 3 by minus 3. So y plus 1 is equal to minus x plus 4, x plus y is equal to 4 minus 1. It get 3. That's the equation of the second, and that is what is equation of BC. Now check, BC known, AD known, both are common, now intersection. Now I will take BC intersection AD is equal to D altitude point, means solving 1 and 2. So what is the 1? X minus y plus 1, and here x plus y minus 3, y and y cancel, x plus y minus 3. So students, here 2x minus 2, 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, and again x is equal to 1, attach on it 1 either 2. I going to simple 2, from 2, x plus y is equal to 3, x is 1, y is a 3 minus 1, which is 2, and that's the point 1 comma 2 is your altitude points. Now students, I want to length of altitude A and D. Take distance formula, and that's my equation over. Now length of altitude AD, which is A to D. A I have 2 3, D 1 2. So 2 minus 1 same, 3 minus 1 same, here 1. Students, here 3 minus 2 minus 1, and here 3 minus 2. Yes, so it is 1 square plus 1 square, it get root 2, and that is your students length of altitude in simply we derive. But one more also, this answer is also true, equation of altitude and then after our length. Now continue 18th one. 18 also unique sum. Question number 18. If P is the length of perpendicular, yes, this is also IMB students. If P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line whose intercept on the axis are respectively A and B, then show that 1 by P square intercept, sorry students, 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Very simple. First of all students, here given that this your line to intercepted line, y-axis, x-axis, and that's your intercepted line. You know that this traveling distance A0, traveling distance B, 0B, and that's your students perpendicular distance from the origin is P. And what is the line? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So I continue, given intercepted line x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. I just arrange in standard form, bx plus ay is equal to ab. So bx plus ay minus ab is equal to 0. That's your line L. And students, I want to perpendicular distance from origin, already given that P, and then you derive. So simple, you can apply formula perpendicular distance from origin. So now perpendicular distance from origin is P modulus C by under root A square plus B square. What is the P? Same as, but C is what? That is your A, that's B, and here C minus AB, B square plus A square. Now taking square on both sides, here mention we taking square on the both side. Why taking squaring? Because I want to in this panel divide by 1, take inverse both the side, 1 by P square, and here A square B square. Now you can separate this two partitions, 1 by P square A square by a square b square. Here also a square b square. I think almost your sum is done. Students, your data is over here, 1 by b square. 1 by b square plus 1 by a square. And here you can write down in the simplest form 1 of the 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to p square. And that the students easily and happily, this question is 18 those students done. Students, your exercise over finished 10.3 and this part also done, and this part I stop here students. Further explanation I explain in the next part. Bye bye.